Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneDrive app and upload files securely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the OneDrive app, start by unlocking your device. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an Apple device, go to the App Store. For Android devices, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type OneDrive. Select the OneDrive app from the search results. Tap on the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open the OneDrive app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one directly in the app. Follow the prompts to set up your account. After signing in, you will see the main interface of OneDrive. To upload files, tap on the plus or upload button. Select the files you wish to upload from your device. You may also choose to upload entire folders if needed. Confirm the selection by tapping the upload button again. Wait while your files are being uploaded to OneDrive. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a notification. To ensure your files are secure, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of security to your OneDrive files. Regularly check your OneDrive account for uploaded files and manage them as needed. You can organize your files into folders for easier access. Remember to sign out when you are done if you are using a shared device. Your files are now securely uploaded and accessible from any device with OneDrive installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.